Namaste everyone. Today I am back with another important date formula. Guys, in the previous video we have seen a workday formula that worked for starting date, days and holidays. But now this is the special formula which is called as Workdays International. So it will provide you the option for choosing your own weekends. Otherwise by default the weekends would be for Saturday and Sunday only. So let us get started. So here I am going to type the formula work day international. Okay. So this is the starting date, which is the date at which I am recording this video, 22 September 2022. Fine. And then days. After 15 days, I wish to know what would be my next working day. So after that, it is asking me for the weekend. So now you can see we have got the multiple options so that from where we can choose how many weekends we want and what combination of the weekend we want. Let us suppose we want the weekend holidays as Thursday and Friday. So we will choose this one and it will select 6 for that index number. And then holidays, I will include these two holidays also. Okay, so now let me choose these two and execute the formula. You can see the next working day will be 16th of October 2022. If you want to check it from the calendar, you can go here and you can start counting starting from 23, not from the 22. Of course, I have told you in the previous video also. So you can count 15 days and you will reach the result wherever you want. You have to skip these two holidays and also the weekend which we have chosen. We have chosen Thursday and Friday, I think so. Yes, maybe. I forgot. Okay. So, yes. Okay. Thursday and Friday we have chosen. So in this way you can execute this formula and you can select number of holidays and you can select your combination of the weekends, whatever you want depending on your own organization. So I hope you understood the concept of this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you are liking my content, you can subscribe to my channel. You will get more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.